everyone. This is Nisha Rathore from eXp Realty, and this is Ashton.
Yes.
Hey, Ashton.
Hello. Sorry I was late today. I just came from the closing of a house. We had some issues there.
Oh, congratulations on the closing.
Yeah,
was
thank you.
everything good?
Yeah, thanks God. It was about inspection. A month and a half ago when we purchased this property, one of the things I always do with my clients is to walk through the house, make sure with my experienced eyes I can see the things that they don't see because they're a first-time buyer, for instance, and they don't see homes every day as we do.
Yeah.
So we went through the entire house, check everything, basic things. We went to the basement and I noticed there's a crack in the foundation.
Wow.
She didn't notice, she just walked through. I said, hold on a second, this crack should be addressed. There was a trace of leakage, a little bit, not too much, but regardless, it should be taken care of. So good things, we put certain conditions into the offer and said, we're going to take over this property within a month and a half, but the owner should promise to fix this by a professional crack fixer. And all these wordings are important. So yesterday they called, say everything's fixed. So I went with my clients to the house, we checked the basement. You know what's happened? The owner came with aquarium's glue. They would put the glue over the crack in the basement, and that is not professional. So I got back to the lawyer and said, listen, this has happened. And the lawyer showed the paper and said, listen, there's an invoice from Mr. Hardwood Floor. They came and fixed it. I said, hold on a second. First of all, this invoice is for Mr. Hardwood Floor, not the crack fixer. Secondly, it should be professionally done. It's clearly, I clearly wrote in the offer. And thanks God, I put that provision there. So long story short, the landlord, the owner had to reimburse my client for the cost of repairing the crack.
Yeah.
So that kind of saved her life. So that's important and that was approved by inspector as well. So that's important that you buy a property, you go through the same process of home inspection, and don't say the home looks good, I don't need home inspection. Home inspectors see the things that we don't see.
Of course, yes. And like a home inspector, like there are a lot of home inspectors out there. Get the one that's going to give you a report, a physical report. There are others that will go around, they'll tell you because they're cheaper, they'll tell you, hey, I only charge $200 or $250.
That's a mistake.
Let's go. It's the same thing. No, it's not. When you have the official report, you have the basis for your complaints or issues in the house. You'll show there that the home inspector found this, you did not fix this, now I have the right to make a claim. When that home inspector who's done it like at a cheaper rate for you is not going to be able to fight for you. So I had a situation similar to for one of my clients. We were buying a home and he brought his uncle who's a home inspector because he did not want to spend the money. The uncle went and looked. I guess he missed. The furnace stopped working 1 week after the purchase of the house.
They didn't check it.
They didn't check it. When the guy comes back, it's like, you as my realtor, you need to do something. I was not able to help him because he did not have the correct report in hand for me to fight for him. He had to end up paying for the furnace himself. So let's not be stingy when spending that money. It's a long-term investment. It's a house.
Never go with a low budget inspector because it's cheap now. It's going to get to you later on. So that's a very wise decision you have to make. Go based on the history of like how many years this inspector is working, how many homes he inspects every single day. Communications with the inspector is crucial. So it's important that you walk also with the inspector throughout the house. You may want to leave them a little bit of space to do their job, but eventually you need a walk-through inspection report as much as the written one after. So these are all important things. It would take 2 to 3 hours of inspection time, but that's very important part of the home acquisition, home buying.
And if it's not possible for you to go, your real estate agent should be able to help you with the same by accompanying the home inspector. So at least somebody who's on your side is also there to do be the second eyes out there, right?
Absolutely. This is again Ashton and Nisha. We are a real estate agent helping all our clients make sure they get the best deals in the market. If you have any question, give us a call. You can email, text, WhatsApp. You can come and drop here. We can sit down and talk. It's important to take this decision very, very firm, and it's very important that you take it seriously.
Yes.
So give us a call. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We know that you subscribe or not because we know you.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.